friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can leave a Facebook group, because sometimes we have joined different group and then we don't know how to leave from the Facebook group. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can leave or exit from the Facebook group. Firstly, open the Facebook group. Firstly open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then you will see group options. Tap on it and then tap on your groups, and here you can see it is my group and these are those group which I have joined. So if I want to leave from this group, then I click it, then click on joined options. Here you can see the options of leave group, then tap on it and leave group. So in this way you can left or leave from the Facebook group. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.